Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechPeace_home. As you can see, in today's topic, we will learn about a mid function. In this table, we have tried to identify a middle name from this data. So using a flash fill. Flash fill is a base tool. So as you can see here, Bhavani. So if I write a middle name, one of the data and press a control E. You can see here it extract all the information similar line from the data. So it is so easy. However, we need to extract the data using mid functions. We cannot use this flash fill in some of the different uh, in combination of different formulas like we look up or sometimes we need index functions. So in some such of cases we can't use this flash field because it's a static data. However, mid functions, left, right, these are the combinations with the different formulas can be used. So here we will try to use a mid function. Mid function, when I write a mid function, these are the three parentheses: text, start number, and mid and number of characters. So let's start with this text. We will use this start number. So from where it start to extracting the data. So here we need a middle number, middle name. So you can see Bhavani we need, right? So Bhavani starts from the B letter. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eighth is the space, and ninth is the B. So we can say a ninth start number, and then number of characters. So Bhavani has a seven characters. One, two, three, four, five, six, and seven. I is the seventh character. So we need a seven character and then hard punch the number and then press enter. We have just paste the formula and you can see here this a hard punch number is not for same for all because it's not the uh, it's a static data. It is not the uh, flexible number, right? So we need a flexible formula which can accommodate all these different type of numerical numbers, different type of right. Let's start how we can do that. So mid, this is the text. Now as we have learned on the left and right, we will use a search function. Search functions gives a starting number. So here we can see space is the our usage. So when and two, both the space we will use to get this middle name. Okay, so first of all, in these sections, we need to identify the letter from which the extraction starts. So we need this B letter, which is ninth position. So as we have seen previously, so how we can do that? First of all, we just write find, that is space, because it's our main object in this cell. And here we write, this will identify the later one, this eighth, and we can say plus one. Now, number of characters. Now, we have identified a starting position, number of letters that is different for each data, right? Here we use the same statics that we have used for the right function, right? So here we will start with the search again. We will say we need to use a second space. So here you can see both we need a data between both the space. So we need to identify first, second space. Then we will minus first space data. So it will give the automatic information about the mid name, right? So first of all, we identified the number of the position of the second space. The second space we will again search this. Here, start number, we can again write a search because first search give the first space, we need a second space data first, right? So second space, the same thing within this text, one plus one. Now till now we got a second space. Now we will minus the first space data. So how we can do that? The same space search function within this text data minus 1, because we don't want a space. So after giving the Bhavani, there should not be a space in it. So that's why minus 1. Now I'm closing it and you can see here Bhavani. So it exactly works the similar line what we need, and you can see here the same flash fill. So this is how a flash fill and the mid function works. If you want to evaluate the maths, so it's ultimately a maths behind this. So you can see here, this is the text. So G7 is nothing but the text it is using. The next is the parenthesis is nothing but the starting position. So this the first search we have used for the starting position. It gives the starting position as a ninth. So Bhavani B is the ninth position. Then we have a number of characters. So we have write 2 times a search and 3 minus then first time of search. So let's see. So first time search, then inside another search which gives our total second space. So this is the 16th position of the second space. Then minus we give a first position. This is nothing but the ninth number. So we have deducted 16 minus 9, that is 7. So 7 letters it will automatically fetch down and it gives the power, right? So this is how it works the middle. Excuse me. This is how it works the mid function. I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to follow my channel. Thank you. Thank you, friends.